Hello everyone. As we know very well that spoken English is very important skill in today's competitive world and constant practice is the key to master over this skill. Let us practice to improve our English skills. Hello Ishu, how are you?
Hello, I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine. In which class do you study?
I study in class 8th.
And which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths
Why maths in particular is so favorite for you?
because I like to solve problems, word equations and other.
Very good. And what's your aim in life? Means what have you decided to become?
I have decided to become an IS officer.
Wonderful. And tell us about your hobbies.
My hobbies are reading books, gardening and etc.
Which type of books do you prefer to read?
I prefer to read series like Harry Potter's and other.
Good. And tell us more about your friends.
My friends are very caring. Whenever I don't bring anything like any stationery or notebook or book, or I forget to complete my homework, they always help me.
Wonderful. Do you share your lunch with your friends?
Yeah, we like to share our lunch with each other.
Good. Now tell us about your happiest moment.
Recently, when I went to Rangmanch, that was my happiest moment. I went there with my friends.
Did you enjoy a lot over there?
Yeah, I enjoyed a lot over there.
As we know that these days children they waste a lot of time on mobile phones and this is why they are unable to complete their homework, they are unable to concentrate on their studies, and it is also becoming so much hindrance in their behavior pattern. They are getting irritated every now and then. You just tell why is this happening?
This is happening due to the addiction of phones, games, and YouTube reels. The this according to me the problem where the problem started is from parents, because parents are only responsible when their child cries during childhood. They always prefer to give them mobile phone to watch YouTube or something else, play games, and then the children slowly get addicted, and then they start wasting their time on YouTube and playing games, Instagram, and all. According to me, the problem start from the parents.
And what's your suggestion how should we overcome this bad habit and this addiction? What would you suggest to the parents in particular?
When the child cries during the childhood, instead of giving him or her the mobile phone to watch something, we should play with them. We should tell them our stories, our childhood stories, how we spend our childhood and other things.
Thanks so much for this wonderful suggestion. Thanks a lot.
Welcome.